Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of further. Space is more distant than any other type of the same. For example, two men were standing at the further end of the clearing. The second definition of further. Other than what is already known or has been done, it can be done or accounted for. For example, cook for a further 10 minutes. American pronunciation. Further. Further. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Further. Say. Further. Further means more distant in space. Further. Further. Further origin. Old English further adjective, furthra adjective, furthra verb, of Germanic heritage, related to forth. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It just furthers the urban trend of economic apartheid. Now, repeat after me. It just furthers the urban trend of economic apartheid. The second practice. More importantly, he's furthering his art form by developing full-hour shows. Now, repeat after me. More importantly, he's furthering his art form by developing full-hour shows. Visual representation of further. Further means space is more distant than any other type of the same.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.